Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. So, in today's video, I just want to share a few ways I use AI in my daily creative work. Nothing fancy, just real examples from Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, and Express. These little tools save me so much time and honestly make my workflow way more fun. Let's dive in, and I think you will love what is possible. So guys, let's rock and roll. I'm just sharing a few quick examples in each app today. If you like to see more, just let me know and I will record a follow-up. So guys, let's start, and of course I will start with Adobe Photoshop. I have opened this beautiful image with this very artistic and beautiful makeup. So let's talk about this. Let's say I finished my photo session and my client contacted me later on today, tomorrow, or in a year after today and ask me, Victoria, you know what? I would like to see a rest of her head. Is it possible you can add a rest of her head? My answer will be yes, no problem. How? I will show you. So what I will do, I will enable the crop tool and I will expand the area I would like to add to this image. After I expanded the area I would like to add, I will release my mouse and in the contextual taskbar, I will click on Generative Expand, just like that. I will leave the prompt or text area, you can name it as you wish, empty. And what I will do, I will click on generate, just like that. Now Firefly will analyze my original image, will analyze expanded areas, will analyze my prompt. In our case, we don't have any prompt, so Firefly understood that I just want to expand this image. And look at this. Firefly generated 3 different variations, so you can choose any. I like the second one. If I will zoom in image, you will see that, as I mentioned just a second ago, guys, this image has a very artistic makeup, and Firefly added this makeup to our new area. Look at this. How beautiful is it? Let's talk about another example. Same situation. I finished my photo session and my client contacted me later on and asked me to add necklace to this address. No problem, no problem. What I will do, I will enable my lasso tool and I will select area I would like to add a necklace to. If I will zoom in my image, you will see that I don't care about hair area or anything like that. I just made a rough selection. Now what I will do, I will click on Generative Fill and here I will type mother necklace, just like that. After I type my prompt, I will click on generate, and Firefly again will analyze my image, analyze my selection, will analyze my prompt, and will generate 3 variations based on all those aspects. Look at this, guys, just look at this. This is first variation, this is second variation, and this is a third variation. I would like to point out on this, guys, look at this area, look at this. This is awesome, guys. This is just incredible. So this is just a very quick 2 examples how I use AI in my Photoshop workflow. Now let's talk about Illustrator. Now let's talk about Adobe Illustrator. I have opened this artwork and I delivered this artwork to my client. But my client came back later on and asked me, Victoria, you know, I decided to use this artwork as my web banner. Can you expand it? My answer will be, of course, no problems. So, should I start a new project and do all heavy work? Absolutely not. what I will do, I will enable my selection tool and I will select this artwork. After that, in the contextual taskbar, I will click on Generative Expand. And now I will expand my canvas area. I would like to add extra vector artwork too. So I will expand my canvas just like that to the right, and I will release my mouse. And after that, in a prompt or text area, I will type nothing because I just want to expand this artwork. But what I will do, I will click on generate, and just like that, Firefly will analyze what I want to do and will deliver exactly what I was asking for. Firefly generates three different variations. This is the first variation, second variation, and the third variation. Of course, we can pick any variation we like the most. I like this third one. So guys, look at this. This is a vector art, a vector. Look at this. You can edit any points in this expanded vector art. How awesome is it? Just under a few minutes, I expanded this original artwork. Guys, this is wow. Now let's talk about another example how I use AI in Illustrator workflow. So I love this artwork, but what if I would like to recolor it? If I would like to change the mood in my art? How can I do that? It's very easy. What I will do, again, I enabled my selection tool and I will select this art. After that, I will click on edit, and from here I will click on generative recolor, just like that. And just like that, look at this. Illustrator already has a library with different colors, with different color mood, I would say mood you can apply to your artwork. But if you have some specific mood, specific scenery you have in mind, you can add this direction in a prompt area. What I will do, I will type winter morning, cold, ice, blue river, just like that. And I will click on generate. Now, Firefly will analyze my prompt, will analyze this artwork, and will generate 4 different examples of based on my prompt. This is one example, this is second, third, and fourth. I like the fourth one the most. So guys, so easy. I recolored my artwork by just typing my prompt. So this is how I use AI in my Illustrator. Stay with me and we will talk about Lightroom. Now let's talk about Adobe Lightroom desktop. So I would like to start with this image I took a few years ago in New York. And what I would like to do today, I would like to apply a few modifications to this image. And guys, this is incredible. What I will do, I will click on masking, just like that. In the masking workspace, I will click on landscape. And now Lightroom will analyze my image and will analyze different parts in my image and look at this. I will enable sky masking. I will enable architecture masking. I will enable vegetation masking, and I will enable water masking. So next step is I love creating all separate masks. It's easier for me with my retouching workflow, in my retouching workflow. So I will enable create 4 separate masks. And after that, I will click on create and look at this beauty. If I would like to adjust my sky, I will select my sky mask. And what I will do in the effects panel, I will slightly increase the haze, just like that. Look at this to bring all details in the sky back. Now, if I would like to add a little bit more sharpness to all those buildings, I will select my architecture mask and I will add just a pinch of clarity to it. Now I will select my vegetation mask, and in the light panel, I will increase shadows value to open up all details in the shadow areas. Next step is our water mask. I will select this beautiful water mask, and in effects panel, I will gently bring down the clarity value. And after that, I will bring down texture value to create this beautiful silky effect. So now my water had this beautiful silky effect. So guys, as you see, I can modify different part in my image separately thanks to landscape masking. Now guys, let's talk about something else, something I use all the time. Example, let's talk about this image I took few years ago in my studio. Let me reset it just like that. And now what I will do, I will click on a masking icon to be redirected to the masking workspace. And here guys, look at this beautiful icon, person icon. I will click on it and look at this beauty. What I will do, I will enable facial skin, body skin, clothes, hair, and rest of all these masks available for me. As I mentioned just a few minutes ago, I love creating separate masks. So I have enabled create 9 separate masks. Now I will click on create, and if I would like example to adjust her clothes, I will select the clothes mask, and what I will do, I will increase highlights. I'm sorry, not highlights, shadows, slightly, just to open up again all details in her dress. If I would like to adjust anything in her hair, I will enable hair mask, and I will increase shadows value as well. If I would like to work with facial mask, I will select this facial mask to enable it, and what I will do in effects panel, I will bring down just a pinch clarity to add this silky smooth effect to the skin. And using same principle, I can select all these masks and apply modification to specific part in my image. This is incredibly helpful. By the way, if you have 2 people, 3 people, you will be able to work with each person individually. So guys, this is incredible. What else I would like to show you in a Lightroom? I would like to show you this AI tool I use all the time. So I took this image in Paris a few years ago, and as you can see, I have a lot of people in here. What if I would like to remove all these people? Should I go to Photoshop to do so? No. What I will do, I will click on remove icon to be redirected to the remove workspace. And here guys, we have this beautiful AI tool, people. Click on it, and just like that, Lightroom detected all people. After Lightroom detected those people, Lightroom selected it, applied mask to all those people, and what I need to do, just click on remove, just like that, and look at this magic, guys. Look at this, voila. If Lightroom didn't remove anything in the way you wanted, it's AI, it's new AI, just use a remove tool, just like that. Bring size of your brush down. By the way, the remove tool is powered by is AI tool as well. I enable use generative AI, and what I will do, I will brush off this part and also this part, and after that I will click on remove, and just like that AI will remove a rest of the people. Look at this, guys, this is amazing. I don't have to spend hours removing all people individually. Look at this. This is before and this is after. Incredible. Now let's talk about Adobe Express. So guys, I'm in Adobe Express, and what I would like to do, I would like to create my template. To do so, I will click on Generate with AI, and from Get Started with AI Workspace, I will click on Generate Template. And I was redirected to Generate Template Workspace. Look at this. At the bottom, we have inspiration. Also here we have a prompt created by Adobe Express team. So if you have no time and you need to create something, example, you need to create a party invitation for kids' birthday, just click on this prompt, and Express powered by Firefly will generate 4 different variations of invitation for kids' birthday party, just like that. And here, guys, you can click on any template you like. Example, I like this one, but I would like to see more variations of this template. To do so, I will click on See Variations, and Express powered by Firefly will generate 4 different variations of the template I specified. I will click on this template because I like this template the most. And now, guys, I can modify this template in a way I like. I can change color of this text or any other text, just like that. I can change text, just like that. Let me select this text. Join us, just like that. I can reposition it, I can increase the size of my text, I can change font, I can do whatever I want. I even can change the graphics or photo using a media workspace. I can use photos, videos, audios, anything I like. So guys, this is how I use AI in Adobe Express. I love creating my custom templates, and I don't have to spend hours or even half hour working on my custom templates. I'm using AI to do so. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. As I mentioned, today I showed you just a few examples in Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, and Express. If you want to see more how I use AI in my workflows, just let me know and I will record another video for you. Thank you so much for all your time, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.